Assalamu alaikum. This maths lesson is recorded for Al-Aqsa Integrated School for grade 3. Well, today I'm going to revise the lesson kilograms and grams with you. We need the units kilograms and grams to measure the mass of an object, whatever is an object, whether it's a small or a big object. The difference is that we use grams. We use grams to measure small objects or light objects, like for example a fruit. So a small piece of a fruit is measured with grams. But what if we have a chair? Well, because of the chair is relatively big and heavy, we use kilograms to measure the chair. So if the object is heavy, we use kilogram to measure, and if the object is small and tiny, we use grams to measure. We use the scale to measure the mass of an object. This is called scale. We use it to measure the mass of an object. What is the mass of the can? Actually, as you see here, we use this scale K in grams, as you see here, right? So here we have 0 gram, here we have 100 grams, here we have 200, here 300, 400 grams. Okay, and as you see here, the scale is pointed, the scale points to this point, right? Exactly here, right? So what is the mass of the can? It's actually more than 300 and less than 400, right? But first, let's check how many small intervals stands for. Here, as you see, we have 0, right? And here we have 100. Okay, how many small intervals do you have between 0 and 100? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 small intervals here. Every single interval stands for or represents 10 grams. Okay, so as we go from 0 to this small interval, we get 10 gram. Then if we go from this 10 gram to the next small interval, we get 20 grams, and so on. So 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 grams. And if we go further from this to the next small interval, we have 110. So this small interval is 110 grams, right? And this small is 120 grams. And as you see here, we are talking in grams because this scales is in grams here. Okay, now the pointer is located in this place here, exactly here. Sorry, it's here. Wait. It's exactly here, right? So here is 300. If we go, this point is 310. Here 320, 330, 340, 350. This is 350 grams. Okay, then we go one more, 360, 370, and here exactly 380. So the mass of the can is 380, right? The mass of the can is 380 grams. Now we have these two containers of marbles. This is actually the same, right? This container is the same as this container, but we bought them into different scales. This scale is shows that the mass of the container is 1 kg, right? 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram, as you see here. Okay, the second one shows that the mass of the container is 1000 gram, right? I can understand from this that 1000 gram equals or is equal to 1 kilogram, because we have the same container and gives us, and two different scales give us two different reading. So I would say 1 kilogram is the same as 1000 gram. This is 1 kilogram. This is 1 kilogram. This is 1000 gram. Here it is. Now let's take this example. We have here 3 pears and we have 1 plate. So the question says, what is the total mass of pears and the plate? Okay. As we see here, the mass of 3 pears, okay, this is the 3 pears, and the scale shows 1 kg, right? 1 kilogram. So the mass of 3 pears is 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram. This scale shows the mass of the plate, right? So the mass of the plate is, as it's shown here, 500 gram. 500 gram. Okay. The third scale here, we have the three pears and the plates. They are put on the plates, right? So 1 kilogram and 500 grams is 1 kilograms and 5 grams. So the total mass of pears and plate is 1 kilogram and 500 grams. So 1 kilogram is for the pears and 500 grams is for the plate. So the total is 1 kilogram 500 grams. Let's take another example. The question says, what is the mass of the box? We have a box here on a scale, and the scale shows this. The reading of the scale is this. Okay? As we see here, the scale is divided into 500 grams, after that 1 kilogram, then between the 1 kilo and 2 kilo we have 500 gram, right? Between 2 kilo and 3 kilo we have 300 grams. This means between 3 kilo and 2 kilo we have 1 kilogram, and half 1 kilogram is 500 grams. The pointer here shows this reading. Here it's 2 kilogram Okay, here is 3 kilogram. Every small interval stands for 100 gram, right? So this point is 2 kilogram and 100 grams. Okay, this one is 2 kilo 100 grams. After that we have 2 kilo 200, here 2 kilo 300 grams, here 2 kilogram and 400 grams. Here we have 2 kilo. This point is 2 kilogram, and as you see here 5 grams, right? So after that this point is 2 kilogram 600 grams. After that 2 kilograms 700 grams. After that 2 kilograms and 800 grams. So this is 2 kilograms 800 grams, right? So the mass of the box is 2 kilograms 800 grams. It's more than 2 kilo and less than 3 kilograms. I hope that was easy for you to understand. So now we came to the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching.